Dom from Light and Easy is here and she's going to show us a beautiful yellow curry. I love this.
Justine, you are going to love this. Now, this is a great recipe from Light and Easy. And look, a lot of us are trying to eat more plant-based foods. It doesn't mean that we want to go vegetarian, but we do want to kind of cut down the amount of meat. And this is a great recipe that has a boost of vegetables. So very, very easy and nice and quick. Can I get you to start chopping up some cauliflower for me?
Can do.
And we've got a beautiful bunch of choy sum I'm going to get you to cut into sort of 3 centimetre kind of pieces.
Okay.
I'm going to start by drizzling in a little oil into our nice hot wok. I've got some sliced onion, cabbage. I love this recipe, Justine, because it has over 10 whole foods, and whole foods are really great for your gut health. So it's got over about 9 grams of fibre, which is really, really fabulous to maintain a healthy diet.
Absolutely.
So I've got some edamame beans, which are really readily available now in the freezer of the supermarket, and are great for adding into, you know, curries or stir fries, or even having as a little snack. I'm going to go in with your cauliflower. We've also got black beans, which are really nice, high in fibre.
Oh, beautiful. And I'm just separating the stalks from the leaves because the leaves take a moment to...
Yeah, we can add those in
Later
right
on.
at the end.
Yep.
So we'll throw the stalks in.
Great.
Now we've got some fabulous aromatics. I've got ginger, garlic, and if you can bruise and slice up some of that lemongrass for me.
Sure can. Lemongrass. I love it. It's like a wonder ingredient.
Oh, look, it just imparts so much delicious flavour.
It's balmy. It's got, it's just so good for a curry like this. It's nice. But it can be woody, right? So we've got to finely chop it.
And good to use kind of the white part as well, which is really tender. And also kind of cooking it with the, you know, cooking it in the curry like this, it will soften. But I love crunching on a little tiny bit of lemongrass.
Yeah, me too. I agree.
So you throw that in. Now I've got all of the beautiful aromatics that are going to go in. So we've got our curry paste.
And I guess you could change up the curry paste if you wanted.
Yeah, of course. You could do green, you could do red. We're using just a small amount of coconut cream because, of course, we want to be keeping this kind of low in saturated fat. So it's a great option instead of your, you know, high saturated fat curries that you usually get from takeaway. And then we're adding in a little bit of water as well, which is going to kind of help create this delicious sauce. I've also got some brown sugar.
Right.
Turmeric. And a little bit of pepper.
Yeah, and a lot of those ingredients are already in the curry paste, but just by adding a little bit more, it accentuates that particular flavour if you love it. And I love turmeric, so good choice.
And also turmeric it's a wonderful spice. It imparts colour, flavour, and is a really great antioxidant as well.
Smells good.
Okay, so now we're going to finish off with our the lovely soft choy sum leaves, which take just a couple of seconds to kind of wilt. We've got our cashews and our fresh lime leaves.
I love macroot leaf. It's just the most beautiful aromatic leaf you could probably put into a curry like this. In fact, I always try to grow in my garden and it fails. Every time, so I've got to buy them all the time.
But like they're readily available, and the best idea for the lime leaves is to keep them in the freezer.
Yes,
you keep for
exactly.
Lime.
Well, that's not going to take long at all to cook, is it?
No, we're going to leave this for another, say, 5-10 minutes.
Yep.
And yeah, we've got some beautiful wild rice, some fresh coriander and lime juice.
So good.
So Justine, I've turned the heat off. It is smelling incredible.
Sure is.
All of those beautiful flavours, the lemongrass, the lime leaf. So we're just going to serve this out. Now, this feeds 4 people.
Right.
But look, if you're short on time or you can't access all the ingredients, having the light and easy version in your freezer means that you can have this meal ready in about 5 minutes. We're going to garnish it just with a little bit of fresh coriander.
Just a little chop, roughly
chop. I'll pop that on, and then if you cut me half a lime, a lovely squeeze of lime juice I think just brightens this up and really lifts all those flavours, and very traditional.
Love that. And we can even just pop it on the side if you'd like some more.
Delicious.
I love any type of curry, but I think, you know, in the middle of the week, we need to give ourselves a break from meat, and having a really nice vegetable heavy recipe like this is just what the doctor orders.
Perfect.